Volkswagen infotainment systems, especially MIB and MIB2 units in 2014-20 models like Golf, Passat, Tiguan, and Jetta, commonly face black screens, no sound, and reboot loops. A black screen often indicates a power supply failure due to faulty capacitors where the voltage drops below 10 volts. No sound usually stems from audio amplifier or DSP codec errors, possibly from loose connections or corrupted software. Reboot loops are frequently triggered by overheating, as MIB units can reach 80 to 90 degrees Celsius or corrupted firmware. First steps: try a hard reset by holding volume and power for 10 seconds, or a factory reset via settings, but these are temporary. Look for error codes using VW's Otis tool, such as U1305 for communication loss, or B3 and B8 for infotainment failure. These steps help identify the issue's nature and provide temporary relief. For lasting solutions to VW infotainment issues, consider software reflashing using dealer-level tools like VCDS, or replacing the entire MIB unit with a remanufactured version. Third-party repair kits for capacitor replacement are available online, but require technical expertise to avoid voiding warranties. VW is moving towards software-first solutions with over-the-air updates, aiming to cover 80% of eligible models by 2026. These updates address firmware bugs and improve memory management to prevent common failures. Future trends include AI-driven self-healing software in MIB3 Plus systems, debuting in 2026 models, and cloud-integrated infotainment in electric vehicles that minimizes onboard failures by offloading processing. Be aware of cybersecurity vulnerabilities in older infotainment systems. VW plans to phase out support for pre-2020 MIB units by 2030, encouraging upgrades or trade-ins for security. While software fixes average around $500, hardware replacements can cost up to $2,000. For long-term reliability, opt for official VW upgrades instead of aftermarket radios to avoid compatibility issues.